Hey guys, it's Shelby, otherwise known as Shelbizleee here on YouTube, and today I wanted to talk about Halloween. So inherently Halloween is a very wasteful, not vegan friendly, not minimalist friendly holiday. We're talking plastic wrapped candies, milk filled chocolates, and single-use costumes, which I should probably do an anti-haul about Halloween. I personally don't celebrate the holiday in traditional ways that most Americans do. I don't go trick-or-treating. Obviously, I'm too old for that. I don't go out and buy a single-use costume. I don't hand out candy to trick-or-treaters. None of that is my calling. It's just not my thing. But I do occasionally, most years, have to go to at least a Halloween party, which is what I want to talk about. Using things that you already own or can go get from a thrift store and making costumes. But really quickly before we get into that, I need to tell you guys that this video is sponsored by one of my favorite sponsors, Poshmark. They are one of my favorites because it is completely free for you to download the app. All you have to do is click the link in the description. It's free to download and then you can shop and or sell secondhand items. So I thought it was a great sponsor to talk about Halloween costumes because I don't know about you guys, but I definitely, if I am going out today, which I am, we are in this video, going out to buy things for my Halloween costume that I would only wear once and not wear afterwards, I feel completely guilty about it. But Poshmark makes it super easy for you to list things on your closet and sell those items after you're done wearing them so someone else can get use out of them if it's not particularly like a style that you would wear on a daily basis. I always like to remind you guys that actually selling your items as opposed to just donating them in terms of things being reused is a better option, because when someone pays money for something, they're a lot more likely to actually reuse it and not just throw it out, because a lot of thrift stores actually throw out a ton of stuff that they get because either it won't sell fast enough or the condition isn't great. Whatever it is, things get thrown out at thrift stores and donation stores quite often. So if you can resell an item and ensure that someone will find value in it, that is the more sustainable option, and you can do that through Poshmark. If you don't have the app already, make sure you download it. It's linked at the top of my description, and let's go ahead and get into some of the costume ideas. My biggest struggle with Halloween and having to find an outfit is I always wait until last minute. I don't know about you guys, but that's just something that I do. So 3 of my go-to outfits are a hippie, because I'm low-key kind of like a modern hippie. But all you need for that is a tie-dye shirt. And you can't tell me that you don't have a tie-dye shirt, or your sister, or your best friend, someone in your life doesn't have a tie-dye shirt that you can borrow. I guarantee you they do. Other things you could grab up around your house for this are things like circle-rimmed glasses, which I have some of those. You could also look for like a purse with some fringe on it. Actually, anything with some fringe on it. And there you go. You're a hippie. Another go-to costume that I used 2 years ago, I think it was, is Rosie the Riveter, which is kind of what inspired me to put on this bandana today. But you can find a bandana or any just like cloth around your house. Actually, tie your hair up like this. She wears her hair in a bun, so you're not gonna wanna wear it down like this, but up in a bun, get some red lipstick, a jean jacket, and there you go. You're Rosie the Riveter. And of course, one of the other super easy go-to costumes is like an animal, some sort of cat, or something that you can put something on your face, just like with makeup, and transform yourself into a costume. I know those are kind of lame, but whatever. What I would do this year if I was going to try to be an animal, which I haven't decided exactly what I'm gonna do, but I would put my hair up in 2 buns so it looked like I had some ears. I would draw on a nose, maybe some whiskers, and call myself a bear. Wear a brown outfit and yeah, call myself a bear. I don't know if you guys think these costumes are boring. They might be, but this is not about exciting. This is about sustainability. If sustainability is important to you and you're not interested in buying single-use polyester costumes, get creative with what you have in your home. And if you don't have anything in your home that you think you can be creative enough with, head to the thrift store, which is what we're doing now. All right, are you ready? This is the camera we were just talking on back there, but now we're leaving the house, so we're on the vlog camera. Oh, wow, okay, let's go. So I just walked in, and I am disappointed that it's here, but I already knew it was with all of the like single-use costumes that are like at the thrift store. But they also have some things up here that are clearly secondhand and they're not brand new. So these are costumes that I guess people turn in after they wore them. So in theory, even if you have kids, you could come here and get a secondhand costume, which is pretty cool. I like that. This is like a genuinely nice dress. It also seems like they tried to curate some stuff if you didn't want to buy like a single-use costume, and you could get like this type of thing and be a cheetah. That's kind of neat. Good thinking, good thinking. I'm hoping that's meant to be like a hippie costume and not like a Native American costume. That's not my favorite idea. But then they put some overalls back there. I'm in the dressing room now just so I can do this bit because I feel like people can hear me talking out there and it's awkward. There's a lot more people here today than I expected. But I wanted to say that obviously buying a single-use costume secondhand is more sustainable than buying it new. Mostly for like kids and stuff like that, I think that that's a better option. But my idea by coming here today was to find things that you could buy that you could wear another time or someone else would buy off of you once you're done with it so that you could turn it into a costume so that it's not single use. Does that make sense? So let's head over to the regular clothes section and see what we can piece together. This is a cool looking skirt. Maybe you could dress it up and be a teacher. It's cute. Back in the dressing room with an update. So here's the deal. I was flipping through shirts and I found one that I thought would be really cute to keep after I wear it for Halloween as well as for Halloween. It looks like this. It's just like a little checkered shirt. It's really cute. Like I think I would wear it after Halloween. That's why I decided to pick it out. But I also thought it looked like a scarecrow shirt. Okay, hang with me. So then I thought, what else do scarecrows wear? And I walked over to the hat department and I started looking at different types of hats, thinking I could pick up some straw literally from the ground, have it poking out of the hat and making it look scarecrowish. And then I saw this hat and I thought, wow, I mean, that just looks so like overdone that it would be like really, really cute and I could still put like some straw in there and it would make it look scarecrowy, right? And then I went and picked up some jeans. I got 2 pairs. They're nothing like super spectacular or extra scarecrowy for any reason. Finding jeans in a thrift store is actually really hard for me. I like to shop for those sort of things secondhand online. But these had some embroidery on them and they're supposed to be my size. I think they might be a little small, but we'll find out. So let me try it on and I'll let you see it. Clearly all I have on so far is the shirt, but I think this is pretty stinking cute. Okay, here's the outfit all together. We've got the hat. It is quite the hat, if I do say so myself, but you know what? It works. And then the shirt that works, it's very scarecrowy. I would also braid each side of my hair, like picture it in braids, you know, like a scarecrow. And then the jeans, they're a little tight, but they work. But you don't have to get the jeans. Actually, you could just put this together with like maybe some cropped capris and then wear it with boots, and then it would look even more scarecrowy. Little outfit that we put together that you could wear for a costume, and then probably donate this back to the thrift store, and then reuse the shirt and the jeans. So I thought that was cool. So since I am no guru of Halloween and especially not Halloween costumes, I decided to head to my Instagram stories and ask you guys what you would be for your last minute Halloween costume. And I'm going to read some of them out for you guys. So one of the ones says they're going to be a Spice Girl for Halloween by covering themselves in herbs. That's adorable. You're adorable. A lot of people are saying they're making their costumes themselves. For instance, Ash and her husband are going to be hobbits with stuff they got from the thrift store. Lindsay's going to be Forrest Gump. She's making it herself. Someone else says they have one costume that they really, really liked and they reuse it year after year. That is also a really great idea. See, this is why you guys are like so super helpful. Someone else says I'm going to be Velma from Scooby-Doo, thrifted orange sweater and red skirt. That is genius. That is a very easy thing to throw together. Someone else said, I just pick something cute for my wardrobe and make my makeup the main focus and call it something creative. That's a good idea. Okay, you guys are geniuses. Thank you for helping me. As far as Halloween costumes go, I hope this inspires you to think outside the box and do something more sustainable this year. And if you already have your single-use kind of costume put together this year, maybe you can resell it on Poshmark. That's a great idea. Maybe next year you'll think a little bit ahead of time and you'll plan to get something online, you'll buy something secondhand, or you'll go to the store and find an outfit secondhand. Also wanted to say I'm going to be listing some things on my Poshmark. I don't want to do the whole rundown of every single thing, but I'll just flash them on the screen here. Most of the things I'm listing are going to be great for fall and winter that are coming up. They're jackets and stuff that Madison and I have thrifted over time that don't really fit us. We just pick them up because they're a good deal and then we'll resell them. So I have some of that stuff up on there if you want to go check it out. Make sure you check the link in the description. Poshmark, again, is totally free to download it, so you have nothing to lose and literally everything to gain. Okay, not everything, but you can get some great deals on there. I'd love to hear what you're going to be for Halloween, or if you have any other ideas that you can share for other people who are trying to brainstorm, leave it in the comments below, as well as leave your Poshmark closet handle. Because if you do thrift something for Halloween and you're gonna be selling it on Poshmark afterwards, we all want to know. We'll all go check out your closet. I am personally in the market for some new jeans, so if you're anywhere close to my size, leave your closet handle, your Poshmark closet handle in the comments, and I'll check you out. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, you cannot do all the good that the world needs, but the world needs all the good that you can do. Bye guys.